Good afternoon. In today's Thundering Thursdays, we'll be having a quick look at some 8th Army models by Askari Miniatures. So, just pop the pack open. Good to see an old-fashioned blister pack before blisters were invented. So, the first thing to notice in this pack is that the rifleman, his rifle seems to have snapped, and then his bayonet has also snapped off. This may be due to mishandling while it's been in its blister and otherwise packing, which is quite a nice clean break, so I should be able to repair that with super glue, but I'll have to carve off the handle of the bayonet. Other than that, it does seem to be quite a nice clean casting with no real mould lines to speak of. And the NCO with Thompson gun. The models do seem to be a little leaner than the well-fed gym buddies that we get from Warlord. But saying that, we'll do a quick comparison in a moment. This is the Bren gun loader, but again could double up as a mortar or artillery spotter, and the Bren gunner himself. Again, just a slight little casting gate at his feet, and a little vent on the underside of his helmet, but no real casting issues to speak of. Right, as for scale, here's a Warlord Games Resi model that I've been working on. As you can see, the Thompson is pretty much exactly the same size, as are the helmets, and when placed, when held side by side, there's no real scale discrepancy. So they would make an excellent addition to any army, especially if you've got a touch of super glue. Thank you.